Yeah, that's me, trying to get my Christmas life together. Child, y'all better pray for me. Hey y'all, welcome to the vlog. Today is the day I'm gonna decorate my tree. It's a 7-foot tree, and I don't know why I'm bending down because that doesn't make it easier for you to see. But I got it the other day at Home Goods. Home Goods? What is going on with my brain? At home, that's why I got it at home. I got it a couple weeks ago, and it was about, I think like $125, $129. If I have the image, I'll insert it inside so you can see what it was. And it's a pre-lit tree. I don't know the name of the type of tree. Like I said, I'll probably insert it. And yeah, I'm so excited to finally get all my Christmas stuff going. My theme this year is like a neutral, natural kind of theme. And a lot of my stuff I bought last year when, you know, at the end of the year when everything is on sale and what have you. I probably still may need some more decorations. I'll figure it out as I decorate the tree. So you may see this decoration maybe in several sections. So I may start off in this gray sweatsuit, and throughout this video you may see me in other sweatsuits. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in a little while. Okay, all aboard. First stop, the holiday aisle. Do I need any more decorations? Maybe, maybe not. Did I buy them anyway? Maybe, maybe not. Look at all this cute stuff they have, and I feel like I need it all. Like Kendrick Lamar said, I need it all. I deserve it all. A bunch of different days later, and what I'm gonna do is I want to flock some garland that I got from the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna have to go outside and do it, and it's pretty nippy outside. So I'm gonna, what am I gonna do? Okay, scratch that part. So because I'm going outside to do the flocking, I'm gonna put on some protective equipment. So I'm gonna wear masks so I don't inhale it. I have gloves, and I have my gingerbread scarf because I don't want any residual to go into my hair. And also, I'm going to show you, I'm going to put something down to protect my floor, and I'm also going to show you the supplies I'm going to use. Okay, so here are the supplies I'll be using. I'm doing it budget friendly, so I got some garland from the Dollar Tree, and I have approximately, not approximately because it's accurately, I have 4 pieces, and they are, ones I'm using are 15 feet each. I ordered this from Amazon. Snow flock powder. I have a container with warm water, a colander, and a bowl to sit it in so when I'm not using it, it won't make a mess everywhere. And I have this tarp also from the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna head outside to do some of this. Also, I'm going to be also wearing some gloves to keep my hands clean. I'm gonna wear a mask so I won't inhale any droplets of the little powder. I'm gonna put my scarf on so I won't get any residual in my hair, and I'm gonna put on some sneakers because it's cold outside. Okay, here's where I become the snow queen. Step 1, saturate your garland with your mister. Then pour the flocking powder over the colander, but I end up ditching the colander. It was just easier just to shake it from the bag. And as it lands, please mist with water in between. That's what's gonna help it get locked in so that it doesn't fall off. Okay, so I brought it inside because it's so cold outside, so it had time to dry. And I'm gonna go ahead and start decorating the tree. And as you can see, it's locked in. When I pick it up and tap it, it has minimal fallout, because guess what? You don't want that all over the floor. And don't ask me how I know. So I would recommend. Okay, here's the tree before, looking like it just woke up. And a little fluffing magic. Lights on, we're in business. Now for the ribbon, because apparently Christmas trees need fashion outfits too, of course. 4 ribbons, alternating patterns. I say 4, it's really 2 ribbons, alternating patterns. And I didn't mess it up too much. I did have to fix it a couple times because it was my first time. And I haven't said that in a long time. Okay, next up, all the goodies on the floor. Look at this mess. Don't judge me. Listen, and we don't judge. There's a method to my madness per usual. And here I'm digging into the bags like a kid on Christmas morning. Trying to show y'all all the little details. And everything is so cute. So cute. I didn't use all of those. I just used the colors that I wanted out of those plastic ornaments, because what had happened was all the stores were out of the browns that I wanted, so I had to improvise, okay? Look at that. It's so beautiful. And I'm trying to show you the details up close. The lighting is kind of throwing off the color, but they're the prettiest. Some of them are like beige, and then some of them are like a chocolatey brown, and then like a rust color, but the light is like drowning out the color details. I still got it. My dance moves are so cold. That cap cut really out here gassing me up with this snow melt animation. Yeah. Side note, that garland that I flocked, I'm going to end up wrapping it around the base of the tree. I probably won't show it in this video, but at the end I will do it at home. You won't see it, but just know I didn't waste it. Okay, let's finish up this tree. And now the bow on top. This is where things get a little dicey, I should say. Why is the tree wobbling? And centering this bow is such a struggle. At this point, I just threw my hands up. It's good enough, y'all. We can pretend it's straight, right? And let's give it up for Cypress. She's keeping us on track with the Advent calendar. Unlike myself, I've been so off for Vlogmas, but I've been trying, I promise. Okay, now it's time for the big reveal, the moment of truth. Drum roll. Look at it. Isn't it beautiful? We started out with a hot mess and we end up here. Not too shabby. Not too shabby, if I must say so myself. Thank you so much for hanging around with me. And if you enjoyed, don't forget to like and subscribe and stick around. Vlogmas is still happening, even if it's a little bit late. I'll see y'all in the next one. Love you. Bye.